What's going on out there in gun tuber land? Look at what we got on the table today. We have the Grand Power STRIBOG. Now, STRIBOG is how you're supposed to say it, but when I went to the into the gun store and asked for it, they looked at me sideways and they said, "Oh, you mean the STRIBOG." So I guess I'll just call it the STRIBOG. That's what everybody else seems to call it, but you know, technicalities, right? So anyway, this is my new pickup. Got a new PCC pistol. Got a brace on it, SP tactical brace. Got one 29 round YouTube compliant magazine. And this one is a used gun that I got. It came with this piece right here. That's a aftermarket add-on to the barrel, cane guard extension rather. I added this, it's a angled foregrip by Night Strike is who makes it. It's called the Diamondback. Very nice angled foregrip, and this is legal by ETF standards. It's got a threaded barrel, so I'm gonna add a, it doesn't have the 3-lug attachment like my other ones do, that so I can suppress it, but I'm gonna get that. It's about $100 piece, so you know, I'm gonna end up getting that. That's gonna be an add-on. I've just got the straight up old iron sights, I guess you call it. They're polymer, they're not iron, but you know, right now that's all I got on it. I'll figure out what kind of sight I want to put on it, but yeah, STRIBOG. This is the SP9A3. That means it's the roller delayed version. It's the newest one, latest one that they have. Take a look at the other side. And just says Grand Power made in Slovakia. So it was made in Slovakia. Another European PCC. Fix my camera here so we can see it, the whole thing. But yeah, man, let's take out to the ring, take some shots, see what we think. All right, stand by. And we are back from the range. I ran 4 mags through it, so a little over 100 rounds. That's all I put in. It was 2 boxes today, just to try, you know, test the functionality and see what the recoil impulse, all that kind of stuff was. And I tell you, this thing shot really nice. It shot very, very, very smooth. And we do have a clear weapon, just in case anybody's wondering. And it's yeah, these magazines, they had some problems with the first gen magazines, but I think these have gotten a whole lot better. So I just wanted to show you all my new pickup, and we're going to be doing some vids with it. I'll get my suppressor on this bad boy, and we'll take it to the range. And yeah, the trigger pull was fantastic on it. I think it was like a 4-pound trigger pull. So yeah, this thing is a real sweet little pickup here, guys. I'm real happy with it. So yeah, we'll make some bids with it. So all right, guys, just want to show that off today. Hope y'all enjoy it. We out.